Hi everybody. So uh, I uploaded the fire sign and the air sign. Now I'm going to do earth sign today. So earth sign bonus reading here comes. So I'll pull the cards with all the three decks. I'll see angel messages also for you. And one more thing, and there is a three decks which I'm using. Clarification deck is this one, and this is the reading cards, and this is the angel messages and guidance card. So I'm gonna pull for Taurus first, then we'll move to Virgo, and then lastly Capricorn. Okay, so let's start for Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for Taurus. Venus for Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for Taurus. So let's pull for Taurus. Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Taurus. Angel, Spirits, Guides, please show me the cards for Taurus. Taurus. Spirits, Guides, please show me the cards for Taurus. So, okay, one more card. One more card for Taurus. Okay. So, Taurus, what I see for you is Hanged Man in reversed. I don't know. Already the Hanged Man is upside down, but it is in reversed. So for you people, the major arcana, there is one major arcana in reversed, and the other one is like I feel some news is arriving towards you. Maybe for that you have been waiting from long time, or some people have like waiting for the person whom you love for that text or call, or maybe after a long time, after a breakup, or maybe reconnecting or reconciliation. So selfishness, somebody is very selfish here. I don't know, maybe because of the selfishness, maybe the third party situation and the crowd, it may be some female is, maybe a female, I feel some female is very sad here. Maybe Taurus, I don't know you're a female or a male, it may be vice versa. If it resonates to you, then it is okay, but if it does not resonate to you, then it may be vice versa. That is what I mean. Like it may be to your person I'm reading to. So there is a lot of embarrassment, maybe absence, mourning, privation or separation. Privation also, I mean like they're very sad, maybe trusting somebody, leaving so many things behind, trusting somebody after the selfishness of the talks, maybe the arguments. I see a strong woman here. I see strong woman who is very sad here. Maybe want to communicate with your person, or maybe they want to communicate to you. I don't know. So this is what I'm telling. It may be vice versa, but Eight of Wands, which is always a communication card for me, which is like the communication is arriving. Maybe let me clarify. Okay, let me clarify for you what's happening. Taurus, so I'm clarifying the cards for you. So Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, clarify me what is your Queen of Swords and Eight of Wands. So clarify me the cards. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Maybe your person is holding into you, waiting for your communication. Maybe the love, you both are hoping to create a new family life, new beginning, new. See the Lovers card in downwards. So can you see this card? So I feel you still love them. You have them in your heart. You can't leave place. What you're holding for them is not for anybody else. You can't even dream about having somebody in that life. You want them back. Your like restlessness energy. Maybe you're waiting for the communication, or waiting for meeting them or reconciliation. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you both fought because of selfishness, ego attitude, or maybe why should I call, why should I message first, or why should I do first, like I don't know, whether the person here, I'm feeling the woman, I see the woman, or maybe Taurus, you may be a female. I feel strong, strong energy of female energy here. Where is like your like restless energy, very much restless. You're waiting for their communication. You want them to connect to you back. So the clarification card, which I'm like I already pulled. Already I told you what's going on here. So, and one more thing is like for you, one more card I want to pull. What's gonna happen next? So maybe there is lot of burdens or responsibility you have to be handling in future. Um, so for me the cards, one more card. Okay. Yeah, maybe somebody is very much restless, very toxic energy. Maybe the devil card is not always bad card, but this card is not always bad card. One thing is there is very much advantages also, disadvantages also in every cards. In every deck there is a different meaning. So I'm gonna tell in this deck what is that. Maybe you people are fighting. What I'm feeling like, maybe your person is addicted to some drugs, alcohol, smoke, cigarette, it may be anything. But the addiction matter here, and the liberation, how much you give them freedom, this matters to them. If the toxic energy, if they feel like, if you a person, or you may not feel very much free, like there is a hold, you hold them very much, you hold them tightly, so they're not liking that. Maybe you like them to stay with you always, but there is the thing that which they are thinking of is to be together, to be in love, to be as a family, or to create a family life, or a true love will not, will always have a trust. So they want some trust, show them some trust level, so they can reconnect to you back. Or maybe they may feel trapped, so don't make them feel trapped in your own relationship. So because when you want long term from this situation, there is no use of holding them, or showing them a toxic energy which you hold for long time. Or the stories, it may be so many stories, there is own stories, but the toxic and the trust, this is all same. The Taurus energy, what I feel, the female, mainly the energy which I'm getting is a female is suffering from this, or it may be male also, but female shows up here very much um like waiting energy, selfishly, or maybe waiting, or maybe you want them back, or maybe they are selfish to connect to you, something like that. Manipulation is lot going on here. So this lady is manifesting for that person, but the manipulation is going on for the rest, like it is going on from the past rest of time. So temptations are there, so release freedom from addiction. The thing is breakthrough revelation, not wanting to see your own role in negative circumstances will come in some situation, like it is not addiction. I don't want to tell Taurus they are very much addicted or something. There is a thing you want to let it go, the addiction, maybe alcohol, drugs, work also comes out here for me. Even a workaholic can be seen through these cards. It may be addiction in anything, codependent, I mean codependent relationship, or how others make you feel, anything, like you can entrap you, so they can entrap you, like overtake your life, can be harmful in excess. So the devil, this one is always like the nudge to dwell into your own shadows. So he always brings the thing. It's up to you to either fall fully into darkness or work on healing on your own relationship, so you can heal your relationship. He is, I'm not telling he's a bad person, you can heal him, you can be nice to him so he can learn some principles from your own life, some good principles which they have boundaries, so he can learn. So if you truly love them, there is a way you bring them up in a good way to own some principle in your life first as a good partner to him, or then illuminate the things. So your beautiful art, okay, the thing is weighing your time, your energy and love that leave you feeling empty. Like you may feel empty in your art, but wave the things because you need it later. It may give you fruit later, right? Remember the addiction don't unnecessarily or necessarily look scary and demonic until they do. Okay, seek liberation from binding that keep in keeping your, like, that are keeping you trapped, and untether yourself in darkness. Look fragmented aspects of self as a source of light in darkness. I am free to heal in everything. You have to be ready. You have to just tell I am free to heal in everything. So I, for a cups, like you may be reconnecting to them. So don't worry. It may take time, but I see the two cards which clarified me the devil card. For communication, somebody is like remembering the past things and they're like highlighting it in their brain so that they'll get it back when they connect to you. They may get to remembering the same whole thing, so they're not doing it actually. So let's see what the angels will give you. The cards for angels, what cards will angels give you? Let me see. Angel spirits, please give me the cards for. So for I'm gonna pull another two cards. Okay. So I just want to clarify very depthly because this is a bonus reading. So I need people should get help through this. Some advice and guidance is enough because always there is uh, no people to guide you. Many people, like, when they guide us we won't be ready to listen, neither we will be in something else. So the guidance which like the relationship mainly is very hard. The people will experience all different types of relationship or different types of addiction in the relationship. It may be elements, many elements in this, but for Taurus I'm feeling like waiting energy, restless energy, and the breakup and the reconnection cards, which are very good actually. The cards are like giving me the signs of the communication very fast. You may get communication like before 8 days, within a week, or um, maybe another 1 week or 8 days. It may even be 8 weeks also sometimes. It is like I'm not seeing time frames right now because it's just a general guidance in bonus reading. Depth reading, that's all. Depth reading time frames, if you want, means you need to comment me individually when you want time frames. I may check and give you. So if you can donate something, you can donate. It's up to you, but depth readings will be charged from my side always. This is just a bonus reading. This is not a depth reading, this is a bonus reading for Taurus. Taurus. Okay, this card jumped out. So I'm like feeling the angels are like telling you people to be independent first. Maybe you're experiencing very realistically, like the things are happening very. See, the under the deck is the sun. So let me finish it fast now. This card, Queen of Fate, like queen. Maybe you're a queen for your own parents, or maybe you're queen in your own life, or you want a king who takes action towards you. So the thing what is written here, it shows it is not always this. It is not always a depth reading. You can understand through that, but there is a depth reading in this card. I will explain you. See, but I'll tell you this later on. I'll read for all three cards. So, see, let me read soon. So, objective decision making, clearing away all that no longer serves you, seeing the humor in the situation. So, act from your brain, don't act through art, because art always will not give you that perfect situation to manifest. Like in future you are manifesting already, so create a new positive situation in your life. So I mean, like, you need to yourself use your brain and act. So sometimes that world, the wheel of fortune, this card Archangel Michael is telling you a time of positive change. So situation is suddenly moves forward, fortune is in your side. So I see the love coming back to you, or you may go back to them. Until I see they are just waiting, even they are waiting. So they love you. It's not like they don't love you, they love you, but they're telling you to release some ego, attitude, the restlessness, energy, everything, the negative things which you are holding into. So this card is telling the end of a phase or a situation. Spiritual transformation is going on in you. So the transformation thing takes time, and suddenly it will move. The time to move on, like maybe it is over, you have to release and move on from it. Okay. So overall, I'll just tell you what's going on in one small, because it's already time. You know what's happening. If the person is if the person present in your life, then you can act. But if there is no presence, it won't no longer serves you. So I'm telling, try to see underlining humor. Like, still try to see the underlining humor. Someone with incredible insight or perspectiveness with regard to situation. Okay, so the person is marvelous with keen mind. So forthright personality who does not take life too seriously. Maybe the person is not taking life too seriously, or it may be the need to clear out wisdom forged by real life experience. So experience matters only when they undergo it. Okay. It may be a divorced individual also. Here there is a divorce individuals also I'm talking about. It is for Taurus people who already divorced, or who, like, the divorced people. Maybe you have a new light, new beginning in your life, so don't worry. So if they want to reconnect, for surely they will reconnect. Okay, thank you, Taurus. Please like, subscribe and comment if you like this video.